Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share with you my direct listings of stunning condo options in Newport City. Located in Metro Manila, Newport City is a vibrant and inclusive township renowned for being flood free even during strong typhoons like Karina. In these challenging times, investing in Newport City condos offers both value and quality. These properties feature top-notch amenities at more affordable prices compared to the skyrocketing rates of condos in Fort Bonifacio and Makati. These condos are surrounded by world-class hotels and are just steps away from the serene church of the Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, a convenient skyway ramp for easy access, and the 18-hole Villamore Golf Course. For diverse shopping and dining experience, the Newport World Resorts Mall is right at your doorstep. Moreover, the potential for value appreciation is significant with the upcoming Metro Manila subway, which will include a station at NAIA Terminal 3, connecting LRT 1, MRT 3, and MRT 7. Explore the exceptional lifestyle and investment opportunities Newport City has to offer. May I introduce myself? I am Angelina Espiritu, your caring real estate counselor. I'm equipped with three PRC licenses in real estate, namely brokerage, appraisal, and consultancy. It is in my heart to serve the needs of sellers and buyers by giving them good advice and services leading to a wise decision on real estate investment. My condo listings for sale are directly sourced from legitimate owners who have authentic titles. Discover a rare gem in Newport City. Property is a spacious, custom-built one-bedroom unit in the exclusive Montecito Residences. Location: it's nestled right next to the Marriott Hotel West Wing. This prime location offers unparalleled convenience and luxury. Its price is 11.5 million negotiable. Among the property details are the floor area of 72.5 square meters, and among its features is a one bedroom, two bathrooms with a relaxing bathtub, fully furnished, plus a dedicated parking space. Amenities: Montecito offers a lifestyle of leisure with a clubhouse, a children's play area, a refreshing swimming pool with a kiddie pool, a fully equipped gym, and courts for tennis and badminton. Don't miss out on this rare find in Newport City. Unlock a prime investment opportunity in Newport City. The property is a renovated three-bedroom Montecito unit with rental income. Its location: it is perfectly positioned beside the west wing of the Marriott Hotel. This Montecito unit offers unmatched convenience and luxury. Why it's a must-have? Its income potential: it is currently generating rental income, making it an ideal choice for savvy real estate investors or lessors. Spacious living: it has 95 square meters of living space featuring three bedrooms, two bathrooms, and two tandem parking spaces. Its price is 21 million negotiable. Under a limited time offer is a Sarasota three-bedroom unit with parking at an unbeatable price. Its location is Sarasota, Newport City. The price is 12 million negotiable. Why it is a steal? It has a spacious living of 82 square meters of well-designed space, perfect for families or investors. Its exclusive amenities dive into luxury with a swimming pool, kiddie pool, tennis court, shared gym, and a badminton court, all at your doorstep. This is a rare opportunity to own a prime Sarasota unit at a price you cannot resist. Act fast, this deal won't last long. Don't miss this gem. Renovated two-bedroom unit in Montecito, Newport City. Location, it is right beside the west wing of the Marriott Hotel. This Montecito unit offers prime convenience and luxury. The price is negotiable at 9.2 million. Key features, it has a spacious living area of 57 square meters with two bedrooms, one bath, a modern kitchen, and not one but two balconies to enjoy the view. It has a resort-style amenities. Dive into relaxation with a swimming pool, kiddie pool, and a clubhouse with a children's play area. Stay active with a shared gym, tennis, and badminton courts. Experience the best of Newport City living in this beautifully renovated Montecito unit. Your paradise in the heart of the city. Says this limited time offer. Pinecrest one bedroom unit in Newport City. Location Pinecrest, Newport City. Just steps away from the world class hotels in the vibrant Newport World Resorts Mall. The price 5.5 million negotiable. Key features cozy and compact with its 36.5 square meters of well designed space, perfect for singles or couples looking for a prime location. Resort like amenities, enjoy a refreshing swim, stay fit in the shared gym, or challenge yourself on the tennis and badminton courts. This Pinecrest unit is priced to sell, and opportunities like this don't last long. Act fast to make it yours. Discover your perfect retreat. One bedroom unit in Montecito, Newport City. Prime location. It is situated right next to the Marriott Hotel West Wing in the heart of Newport City. Cozy living. This charming one-bedroom unit offers 36.5 square meters of well-designed space, perfect for a modern urban lifestyle. Experience the convenience and luxury of Montecito, your personal haven in a prime location. If you have any questions or would like an ocular, feel free to contact me at my email address espirituangie@gmail.com. Thank you for watching and see you soon.